Penang's best-known landmark, KOMTAR, was the tallest building in Asia, built in 1988, standing at a height of 232 meters, 65 stories high. KOMTAR is an acronym for Complex Tun Abdul Razak, in honor of the second Prime Minister of Malaysia. This 12-sided architectural feat houses office and retail commercial space, as well as public and recreational facilities. That was then. Now KOMTAR has grown taller, thanks to the only world group, OWG, the people who bring you fun, food and good living. Beyond the 65th floor, experience the breathtaking view from the observatory deck, the one and only Tower Club Penang, and keep fit among the clouds at the Sky Gym. To top it all, enjoy the beat and ambience of the Coco Cabana and the Pot of Gold on the 68th floor, and breathe the fresh island breeze of the astounding Rainbow Skywalk, and not forgetting the luckiest chair in the world. KOMTAR has reached new heights, from 65 to 68 stories of sheer excitement, with a spectacular 360-degree scenic aerial view of Penang Island. Be prepared to have an adrenaline-packed day of great entertainment, with loads of good fun, good food and good living. The Top at KOMTAR, a revitalizing urban icon, is here to dazzle and amaze you. Enjoy the cycle run uninterrupted open-air view of Penang Island